In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an API key in ClickUp. Whether you're a developer integrating ClickUp into your workflow or just exploring automation possibilities, generating an API key is a crucial first step. This process allows you to securely connect your app or service to ClickUp's robust platform. Don't worry if this sounds technical. I'll walk you through the process step by step, making it simple and easy to follow. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to access your ClickUp dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize and manage your account preferences. Now, within the Settings menu, look for the ClickUp API option. It might take a moment to spot, but once you've found it, click on it to proceed. At this point, you'll see an option to create an app. Click on that button, and you'll be prompted to set up your app. Here, you'll need to enter a name for your app. Choose something that clearly identifies its purpose. For instance, if you're using this API key for a specific integration or project, name it accordingly. This will help you keep things organized. Next, you'll need to add redirect URLs. These URLs specify where your API access tokens should be sent. This step ensures that your app communicates securely with ClickUp. Enter the appropriate URLs for your setup. Once you've filled in the necessary details, click the Create App button. This action will generate your app and create an API key associated with it. After the app is created, you'll see an option to view your client secret, which is your API key. To reveal it, simply click the Show button. Finally, copy the API key and make sure to save it in a secure location. This key is sensitive information, so it's important to store it safely for future use. And that's it. You've successfully generated an API key in ClickUp. If you're new to ClickUp and don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.